Oh no! Danita Donata has a new fashion project, and she has captured 5 baby animals to use in it. You've got to help us save them. Martin will sneak into the mansion and rescue them one by one. First, we need to figure out which animal we're rescuing. Guide Martin through the garden and collect the 3 clues. Then, we can use the clues to guess the right animal and rescue it. But be careful. Danita's mansion is full of traps and her mannequin guards. If Danita finds... Use the arrow keys on the keyboard or click with the mouse to move Martin through the maze. This place is crawling with Danita's mannequins. Don't let them catch you. I bet a speed boost should help you out. Go get the cheetah power disc and you'll be able to run super fast. Sweet! With cheetah power, we can run really fast. Grab the moose power suit and those mannequins won't be able to touch you. Awesome! With moose power, we can bust past those patrolling mannequins. These are the clues we're looking for. We have to collect all 3 before we find the baby animal. Help Martin gather the 3 clues. Another clue! Yes! We got all the clues! All right, now that you have all the clues, let's leave the maze and find that baby animal. Guess which animal is in the cage by revealing the clues one by one. Try using as few clues as you can. This animal likes to eat fish. Now that you've got a clue, use the arrows to turn the dial until you think the right animal is on top. If you're not sure which... All right, we did it! Great job! But Danita still has more baby animals. Let's rescue them all. These are the clues we're looking for. We have to collect all 3 before we find the baby animal. Yes! This is the first animal clue. Just gotta collect the rest. Yikes! Look out for all those lasers. If you touch them, you'll trigger Danita's alarms. Go get the pangolin power disc. The pangolin's hard scales will protect you from the lasers. All right. Awesome! Now go to the mansion and save that baby animal. Guess which animal is in the cage by revealing the clues one by one. Try using as few clues as you can. This animal eats meat and would probably love to gnaw on this bone. All right, we did it!
My baby animal escaped! Quick, mannequins, find it!
Yes! This is the first animal clue. Just gotta collect the rest. Oh no, look! This meter shows you how close Danita is to catching you. Be careful. Another clue! Moose power! Yes! We got all the clues. Awesome! Now go to the mansion and save that baby animal. Guess which animal is in the cage by revealing the clues one by one. Try using as few clues as you can. When this animal fights, it's called kickboxing. All right, we did it! Cheetah! Yes! This is the first animal clue. Just gotta collect the rest. Another clue. Pangolin. Moose power! Yes! We got all the clues! Awesome! Now go to the mansion and save that baby animal. Guess which animal is in the cage by revealing the clues one by one. Try using as few clues as you can. This animal loves to eat bamboo. This animal is an excellent climber. Oops, that's not it. Maybe another clue will help.
What? Is someone sneaking around my garden?
This animal is nocturnal. That means it's awake at night. All right, we did it!
Another one of my little animals is gone. Stop those Kratts brothers!
Moose power! Yes! This is the first animal clue. Just gotta collect the rest. Oh! Gotta avoid those lasers! Uh-oh, this meter is getting really full. If it fills up all the way, we're toast. Another clue. Pangolin. Yes! We got all the clues. Awesome! Now go to the mansion and save that baby animal. Moose power! Guess which animal is in the cage by revealing the clues one by one. This animal is spiky, like a pincushion. All right! We did it!
Oh, my precious baby animals! No!
These little guys are safe from Danita, thanks to your help. Want to play again?